afternoon, everybody. Stitch here with
Crafty B.
We got some butcher block countertop, and we're putting it on here. We're cutting it to size, and you know, this premium high-end coach, the walls are not square.
Not very square.
No, this one's really
quite a
square.
bit, actually.
This one's good, actually. So what we're doing is laying these pine boards down to make a little template so that we can cut it on the butcher block and then slide it in here. And
Walk this way.
Walk this way.
Talk this
Walk
way.
this way.
This one is done. So
Woo,
that is where we're...
finished,
Show them your
but-
tile. Show them the tile.
Okay.
We are going to tile the whole shower and the backsplash and around the mirror with this nifty gray glass tile.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Yes.
There's your update.
All right. See ya. Bye-bye.
See ya. The pencil's not sharpened, she said. So we have our template. We flipped it over. We're going to cut it from the backside to help eliminate any splintage on the tops. So we have got it laid out. Stitch has it laid out. And we're going to clamp some straight edges on here. And
I'm gonna jet clamp it.
I'm going to jet clamp it. And then we're going to cut it. There's our straight edge.
Am I talking really loud?
Yes. So that's going to help us keep that straight.
What? All right, here we are. Brought that cut piece into the bus.
It is cut, and let's drop it in.
Let's check it out and see if
See
it
if
fits.
we have a future in carpentry.
Woo, look at that.
We ready?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it slid.
Oh, that's nice, Crafty. Oops, my finger was in the way.
There it is.
Yay.
That is a beautiful thing.
Woo.
And if